Take 3. Hi guys, welcome to a video, take 3, of me sewing a signature into a paper bag journal. But guess what? It's already sewn in. You know why? Twice I recorded this. Twice. The first time I cut it back out and redid it. I'm not doing it now, I'm just going to show it to you. I didn't hit record both times. What in the world is this medication doing to my brain? I don't know, but I don't like it. Anyway, like my contact paper. No, it's not stuck down. It's just here. Anyway, I wanted to do the paper bag journal Nicole style. But then I was looking at jerseys this morning, and I like hers being open for storage. And this had these little Juma Flippies in there, and I'm not sure if it would mess up the integrity of the bag if I take them out. So I just cut them off, and it doesn't matter because this is for me. And I think it's going to be either a catch-all or a glue book. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. So I'm just going to show you what I have in here. So we went to Mr. and Mrs. Crab for Mother's Day, and I asked for a paper takeout bag. I didn't know we had the option of asking for paper, because down here, if you go to the grocery store, well, where I live, if you go to the grocery store, and you ask for a paper bag, they charge you 10 cents for it. So, you're going to miss seeing me slow it in. I'm sorry. Next one, I promise to record. Anyway, this is... I'm so happy that Rosemary introduced these again, because this is a truly trashy journal. And it's just stuff that I had in a tote that I was going to use to cut up or throw away or whatever. It's just scraps. So, it ended up in here. This is wallpaper from Shelley. This is my lunch one day. I love Mike subs. Jersey Mike's. Oh, they made the best subs. Anyway. And Little Red Wagon Renee, she sells this graph paper by the roll in her Etsy shop. So you want to check her out and see if she has any more. Look at that. That is so cool. That is some cool paper there. There's some painty paper on the back of a paper. What do you call it? That butcher paper that you wrap stuff in. Here's Miss Brooks' envelope you get every month when you buy her stickers. More painty papers. Some Japanese paper. I had put an envelope in here to put bits and bobs in because at the time, I wasn't planning on leaving the ends open. But after seeing Laura's, I'm going to leave my ends open. So, I don't know that I'll put another signature in here. We'll see how big it gets. I left room to put another one in, and I made 3 exactly alike, except for Miss Brooks' envelope and a few other things in here. But, yeah, this is it. And they're super fast. They're super easy to make. And you'll probably be seeing it a bunch, because I'll probably be using it a lot for... I think it is going to be a glue book. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But, tonight is Thursday. You won't see this on Thursday. But every Thursday night, Recreations by Brooke does, Creepy Baby at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So, check her out. Anyway, I gotta go. Oh, bye, boy. That's my channel shout-out for today. I'm gonna start doing more channel shout-outs, too. See you later. Bye.